Hi, welcome to Renovate Innovate. Today we're on site at some offices. We're going through to renovate their canteen area. We're in the hallway, looking fantastic. Toilets have been done. You might be a video of that you can see. We'll link that through. But let's go and have a look. Different story in here. This needs doing desperately. Yes, very tired looking canteen. Nasty looking tables. It's not set out very well. It's got a big hole in the wall. It all wants painting. Might be changing these ceiling tiles. I don't know if it picks up on there, but they're a bit dirty looking. Of course, it's a non-smoking canteen, so they'll just hopefully clean up. We're going to get a taller fridge for them. Hopefully move this microwave somewhere else. New worktop tiles. We're going to cut these off here. We'll show you as we're going around. Cut the edges of this window board off because it looks a bit funny like that. Some new wall units. And we're going to repurpose all of these units. We're just going to get replacement doors. The drawer pack that we've got doesn't fit exactly. So we're replacing the whole drawer pack. That's coming out. The fresh water filter that'll be coming out and then going back in somewhere. So yeah, first thing to do is get it all out, get the floor up, get these lockers out, which you can't see behind you there. Take everything off the walls, get the vending machine, the coffee machine, temporarily site them. And then when we put them back in, they'll be going back in that corner over there. Make better use of the space. We're also going to be putting a table in it. We're manufacturing ourselves. Fantastic thing. Check our other video on that. There'll be a link here somewhere. You'll go and check that out. It'll be a great little video to watch. A bit of waste pipe down here. We're going to reroute that. We're going to take that. We're going to drill a hole through the concrete floor, and we're going to hang that from the ceiling below and take that into the waste so we don't see it here. Yeah, that's about it. Lots of painting, tiling, kitchen work, our new sink as well, new worktop, new flooring. We'll show you flooring to match that's existing in here. When this was put in, we left a join there so we could just carry it on seamlessly. That's what we're hoping for. We'll undercut these ARCHITRAVEs and just carry on with that. We're also going to be repairing this door. It used to have a lock in there. That's going. I've got a cut piece of wood in there, Dutchman, and in there. Fill that, sand it, paint it, possibly wrap it. These doors have been wrapped on the opposite side. Get some new furniture for this. Yeah, that might be it. Oh, we're also going to be having a neon sign over there on this wall. Don't know what it's going to say, what it's going to look like. You'll see when we've done. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, see you later. I don't know when. Right, here we are in the canteen. We've got it all finished now. It's ready for daily use in the greatest county in the world. Yeah, we've put a bit of a vinyl wrap on these. I think it looks great now. A little bit of something different for this canteen. It's not what you normally find in a canteen. I think they're well looked after in here. You'll see another video that we've done, how we made this Simpsons inspired coat rack. Simpsons, well, because why not? Fit in the kitchen, that's on the main of the video, you've seen that. Seen a little bit of a video showing how these soft close hinges work. It's not a fully in-depth video, this one, of how to fit a sink and all that, but there were loads of plumbing work to do in that. That's all hidden behind there. It's all working. And the tiling, it's not a how-to video, this one, but you see we've vinyl wrapped these tiles. These were just white tiles. What we did with these, we got a bit of these different coloured vinyls, cut a small section out, bit of water, stuck it over the tiles, stuck it around the edge of the tiles so that when we grouted it, they didn't come off, and I think they look great on there. Adds a bit of colour. What else have we done in here? Of course, there was a hole in the wall. There was a big mess on this wall and over there. We just put a skim coat of plaster over. We screwed a piece of timber behind this hole, put some plasterboard on there to fill the hole. No scrim tape, just straight over with some filler, and it's lasted perfectly fine so far, and I'm sure it will. There'll be no cracks in that. Repaint, flooring. We've done that. Flooring underneath everything. I think it went right over to the four corners of the room. I like it that way, it looks nicer. Got the lockers in there ready for the staff. Table, there'll be a separate video on this table. It looks fantastic. The new seating in here. And then the main piece of this canteen is over here. There's another video on this neon light. It looks like it's been placed on some smashed off render on the bricks, but it's not. It's just all flush. Real tricky way of doing that. Looks fantastic. Check out that video. Also, if you look up here, we've got this awesome printed ceiling, something I've not seen before, and I think it looks great. Took the old tiles off, got some new ones in, got these printed on there. I think these are a bit smoother than the old ones, so it takes the print a little bit better. It's just something completely different, a bit wacky. Why not for a canteen? And I think that's it. Tiled on there. Oh yeah, we took the window board off there so we could tile on that. Bit of a nicer finish. Oh, plumbing, we moved the plumbing. I think we might have moved an extra socket. Plumbing for the vending machine, of course. We had to put some plumbing on there. You'll see that on another video, how to fit an isolator. It's a simple little video for you. And that is that. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Please like, share and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.